guys, Derek Sogleben here with Tom Cogswell from Spektrum RC. Today we're going to talk through a really cool feature in the iX12 that's new to this radio and really new to that our aircraft radio line is the Google text-to-speech functionality that we get in the Android system.
Right.
So we can do a lot of really interesting things with this. You can type out special commands. Why don't you talk us through that a little bit and kind of show us how to do that?
Yeah, so I'd say one question that we get a lot is, how do I change the voice on my iX12? So as you'll hear here, this is the stock voice. When you pull it out of the box,
This is my voice, homeboy.
so this is my voice, homeboy. So that's the stock voice. He's kind of nerdy sounding, so we can change it up. The cool thing about Android and this version, it has Google text-to-speech. So you can use a lot of different dialects, voices, female, male. Just really, the sky is the limit, and I'm going to walk you through how to do that.
Cool.
So, simple way to do that is we go down here, we swipe down from the top, and we're looking for settings. Settings is this little gear right there in the top right corner. We'll tap on that. And we're going to go, this is the top, we're going to go down to about here to accessibility. It's got the little man holding his arms out. And we'll go down to text-to-speech output there. Google text-to-speech, make sure that's selected. It should be already, but if it's not, make sure it is. And we got default language status. What we're going to do is hit this gear here, and we're going to change the language to what we have available. So these will be the languages that are available. If you want to have more languages, you can go to install voice data and scroll down. What I really like is the English United Kingdom voice. And then you'll see I have voice set 1 downloaded. Normally you just have, or I have voice set 2 downloaded. You just tap on one of the arrows down here. But we've already got that guy. And you can select the different voice dialects. So these are just kind of, the different males will sound a little different, the different females will sound a little different. I've got male 3, we'll hit OK, go back again, and we'll go to language, and we'll go to where our United Kingdom is at. So it sets that to male 3 for English United Kingdom. So just making sure that there's a couple of steps involved, you got to do one and then the other, so follow along there. We'll go back. We've got speech rate. This is kind of cool. You can speed it up or down. Normal, fast, slow, very slow.
I like to run mine quite a bit faster, especially when I'm flying. It gets that information.
Yeah?
Yeah, I run mine pretty much as fast as it
that makes
goes.
sense, yeah.
Yep, so I don't have to listen as long, especially when you're in a noisy environment. It's just quick data, so you're not waiting for them to finish a long sentence if you have, some custom hacks on there.
So like you said, there's a lot of different ththings that you could do, or like macros where, okay, it'll say, your voltage is at, yada yada, and then you can have it say, your altitude is at. It just kind of depends on what you type in for it to say. So we'll go back. So one important thing here, when you've changed the speech here, when you've changed the dialect in Google Text-to-Speech, restart the app. And to do that, we hit on the square up here, and you have to restart SPM AirWare, the Spektrum AirWare. You hit the little X there. We can go back to the main and tap here to reopen it, and I'll kind of display the new voice. My English voice. So I'll flip my switch.
This is my voice, homeboy.
So now he's got kind of an English accent. So like you saw on that list, you could do English, Australian, Indian, and then if you speak a different language, you can put it in different languages.
Yep.
So pretty cool. So that's how you update Google Text-to-Speech to be able to say in a different language on your iX12. If you need more information, want to learn more, look us up on YouTube or like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.